Hello everyone, welcome to Eashkitchen. Let's make a classic chicken burger. It's simple and easy. Let's check the ingredients of the classic chicken burger. Let's check the classic chicken burger ingredients. Minced chicken, onion, tomato, salad leaves, bell pepper, chopped onion, coriander, red chilli, ginger powder, cinnamon powder, soya sauce, egg, rosemary, salt, mustard paste, black pepper, chopped garlic, mushroom, butter and bread buns. Let's make the classic chicken burger. Okay, let's make a burger patty, fresh meat. We'll add the chopped garlic, chopped onion, 3 tablespoons, coriander leaf, chopped coriander, little bit more, around 75 to 100 grams. You will get more flavor from that. Ginger powder, cinnamon powder, red chilli powder, black pepper, 1.5 tablespoons, salt to taste, then the egg. Let's mix everything. It's optional. I'm adding breadcrumbs, around 2 tablespoons. Okay, I'm making another additional filling for the chicken burger with the bell pepper and onion and mushroom. So let's see the filling for the classic chicken burger. Let's cut the bell pepper. Okay, red bell pepper. Onion. We'll add the 1.5 tablespoon oil, cooking oil. Okay, let's add the onion, bell pepper together. We'll temper a little bit, around 1.5 to 2 minutes. Okay, let's add the mushroom, fresh mushrooms, not the button mushrooms. You can buy in the local grocery or supermarket. Okay, let's add a little bit oyster sauce, bit of soya, salt, black pepper and rosemary. For rosemary, you are getting a different smell and a flavor. Now it's already cooked. Now we can start making the burger patty. Let's make the burger patty. Very simple. Burger patty should be around 80 grams, just to give a small idea. I have taken only 400 grams of chicken. You can easily make around 8 burgers with the other ingredients. Okay, let's fry the chicken patty. Little bit oil, very simple. Okay, let's fry the burger patty. You have to cook each side around 3 to 4 minutes. You can see it's well cooking slowly. Normally everyone is allowed to eat burgers. If you guys follow me properly, you will become a good burger chef for sure. It's almost done. We'll keep another few seconds. Especially the chicken have to well cook. The burger patty is already cooked. Keep another few seconds. Remove from the non-stick. Done. Perfectly cooked. Okay, I have taken a small non-stick pan to fry the egg. Okay, let's make the burger. We'll add in the burger bun little bit butter and mustard together. You can little bit leave it in the non-stick, little bit to get crust. Okay, let's make the classic chicken burger. Let's keep the salad leaves. We call salado kola in Sri Lanka. This is the filling what we make earlier with the onions and bell pepper. We'll add mustard, yellow mustard, then the egg, with onion, then the tomatoes, then we'll add the little bit mayo, then the bun. The classic chicken burger. And also you can present in other way, salad leaves, yellow mustard. Other side, we'll add little bit onion, slices tomato, then the egg on the top, little bit the mayo. The classic chicken burger ready to serve. So friends, my style of classic chicken burger. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram to get more unique dishes. And cheers to all burger lovers. See you soon.